So here even in US100 we can observe that market takes this liquidity as, and if market takes this liquidity, and here I need some fast spikes in upside, like market makes continuous 2 3 candles in upside, a big candle, and after that if market gives a retracement I will go there for buy side. But the condition is I need fast spikes in upside, fast buying in upside, then only I will be interested in buying, otherwise I will avoid. If market breaks this low directly and will go for slow selling, I'm not gonna to punch any trade. But if market show some buying, then I will be interested in buying. The reason will be simple, that it's a POC, point of control, and market takes the liquidity of this London low, and market takes the liquidity of this New York low also. So much chances that if market forms any rejections and market gives any spikes for upside, then I can enter there on that retracement. If any of these conditions will get fulfilled, then only I will be there. Otherwise, I'm not gonna to enter any trade. So let's wait for this. In US 500, US 100, my bias is much clear for buying. If market breaks this low, market close it below that, and again it goes above that and close above that, I will be there for buying. Otherwise, the second situation, that market goes up with fast buying, and again if it retrace, I will be there for buying. It's much clear I'm interested in buying here. My bias in US100, it's much clear for buying. So let's wait for it. See, it's a fast buying candle, and let's wait for it. Let's wait. I can enter. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I will enter here. If market comes below, I will enter there simply. My entry will be there, SL will be below that, and I will target a minimum of 1 is to 2. That's it. Nothing more. Let's wait. A minimum of 1 is to 3 I am targeting. In GOFT, I target 1 is to 3 a minimum, but in US100, I target a minimum of 1 is to 2. Okay. Okay, I am in here at that price. So let's wait for it to go up. My bias is much clear here for buying. I am much clear for buying. Wow. Second view of the spike. Let's wait for it. The reason for this trade was very simple. As you can see that market is in uptrend, and market sweeps London low as well. Market sweeps New York low as well. And after that you can see that up POC was above. So it will work like a magnet. POC will always work like a magnet for me. So when it sweeps that low, I'm much interested. I was much interested there for buying. The reason was very simple, that I saw fast buying here. All I need is sweeps, and a fast buying. So whenever market gives a fast buying after taking liquidity, I am much sure that market will go up from any level. You can draw IFVC, FVC, any area, any point of interest you can mark which seems good for you, which works good for you. You can mark that level. In some days, I will post the strategy video, how I used to take this type of trades, how I execute this type of trades. Everything I will upload there. News was in the favor of gold. But let's see. See, one more thing. News comes in the favor of gold. So have a chances that US 100 can dump and can take a liquidity. But already it took liquidity. As you can see that it breaks the London low, and after that it took the liquidity of New York low. So I'm not expecting that market will break this low again. I'm not expecting that to break. So I will be there for buying. Still I'm holding. Let's see. If my SL got hit, I don't care. If my TP got hit, I also don't care. I follow system only. That's it. It will be not a part of discipline that I cut my trade there at cost. If I am here in this trade, it's because of a reason. It's because my setup forms. So whenever my setup forms, I do. Even if you enter on 5 minute time frame, here will be your entry, and here will be your SL, and 1:2 will be one second. 1:2 will be little bit upside there. Same thing, bro. Same thing. Nothing different there. Okay. Okay. So right now I am risk free. I don't care if my cost will got it. Okay. Nice spike. Let's wait for this to break. I will trail my SL. If market breaks this, I will simply trail my SL below that level, like below that candle or here this level. Okay, fair enough. My TP got it in US 100 within hours time. It was like okay, so within 15 minutes my TP got it. That's it. In US 100 my TP got it. Still I am expecting some upside spikes. Let's see if I can target any more. Okay. No, I'm gonna close there. Cause it was a POC level there, point of control. Okay, so I'm closing this position here right now. Okay, I'm done. Still fair enough. That was a good trade. Okay, so if you guys wanna do know what's the logic behind the trade, that was very simple. That previous in previous market, you can see that market was in uptrend and market takes the liquidity of London low, and again market takes the liquidity of New York low. So I was expecting a fast spike there, and when market creates a fast spike and market comes down, then I entered there on retracement. Okay, so let's close this here. If you guys have any doubt, you can DM me.